Hey, what's good, y'all? It's John Manalo. I'm gonna show you guys how you're gonna reapply that white film that Jordan brand uses to make their Toki milk caps white as fuck. So guys, in this shot, I'm showing you guys what the shoes look like without that white milky toe cap firsthand. So guys, I'm gonna put back the uppers onto the sole so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So the toe cap shouldn't be see-through like this. It should be completely all white. So the materials I'll be using is white Angelus paint, a glass container, preferably and barge cement super stick. Why I like using a glass container is because it's a super easy cleanup and nothing sticks to glass. Since we're only using this for the toe cap, we don't need a lot of glue and adhesive. Wait, those are the same thing. So once we put in the adhesive in the container, all we have to do now is pour in a little bit of the white paint, just a couple of drops, and then stir it with a Q-tip. Guys, this method can work for all of the shoes that have white film in it. I'm talking about the Jordan 5s, the Jordan 6s, in most cases now, the newer retros for the Jordan 11's, because originally the Jordan 11's did not have this at all. Alright, now that you've mixed it perfectly like Chef Curry, all we have to do now is apply it to the toe cap. So what I do, I usually apply a thin layer, let it cure for 30 minutes, let it chill, and then apply another layer until you got what you want. But if you want to speed things up a little bit, you could use a blow dryer. Guys, let me know, do you guys like it with the milky toe cap on the Jordan 11's? For me, I'm just so used to it not having it there. I kind of prefer it not there at all. So the customer wanted the toe cap milky and all of that stuff, so I'm like, alright, whatever. So for me personally, if I were to do a regular one of Cool Gray 11 or whatever it is, I think I'm just gonna leave it out because the original Cool Gray 11's didn't have that. I think it looks sick. I don't know. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. It's super quick, super easy. I feel like people are not doing this properly, so I feel like I needed to make a video. So if you guys have any shoes that you need restored, please send me an email. It's manalorestorations@gmail.com. You can find that same email down in the description below if you guys don't know how to spell my last name. It's like Mahalo, but Manalo, or Barry Manalo. You know what I'm saying? If you're Hawaiian, it's easy. It's Mahalo. Just spell it Manalo. And, hey!